Hi, Sarah-Jayne here, and in this video you'll see a visual capture of the key words that further demonstrate key findings of my completed literature review. The research in which I'm partaking through my own critical arts-based orthoethnography explores the following question: in what ways do arts-based journaling and reflective practice support well-being as an educator? This review that I completed analysed 6 different empirical narrative arts-based guides and studies that focused on arts-based inquiry and examined the use of a range of different arts-based reflections in connection to well-being. While not all of the studies focus on educators per se, the review provided definitions, impacts, limitations, and implications of using arts-based reflective practices in relation to educator well-being. For this video, I collected all the key words from the quotes that I had taken from all the different articles by Burge et al. 2016, Crowder et al. 2020, Camille et al. 2016, Wood 2013, and McCain-Barton 2018. Each show similar ties and key words in describing the ways in which the practice supports well-being. The overall message of these studies of arts-based reflection and practice is that art making is correlated to a feeling of enjoyment in the experience. Joyful feelings and well-being go hand in hand, and arts-based reflections can be said to explicit positive emotions. Research on arts-based reflection supports, or at least has an underlying narrative of enhanced well-being. That said, each study noted the difficulties in articulating the benefits participants, but some had explored ways of measuring these benefits or positive outcomes, such as through a written journal, note-taking, monitoring cortisol levels, or conversation. The most prevalent word throughout these findings was the word self, in addition to insight, reflect, support, experience, and satisfaction. Each paper noted the impact of arts-based reflection as connected to self. This is a crucial aspect of arts-based work. It is a connection to well-being, emotions, difficulties, including articulation and one's own attitudes and belief, as reasoning for its improvement is tied to and its support for educators. The use of arts-based reflective practice and its attachment to well-being is evident in its use of the ability to explore emotions and feelings without constraint. The arts-based practice has the ability to give space and time for exploration of oneself and feelings and to provide deeper reflection and a more mindful approach to self. The key here is that it's tied to self and improvement, which will support educators' well-being through a mindful approach.